This is for the bloopers. Fresh and her shrimp costume.
Going to get you.
Wow.
How much have I had to drink?
A lot. Oh my god.
How much has she had to drink?
Get up there. Yeah.
Until the police arrive.
I know. Person found a shrimp costume.
Mermaids.
So Fresh is going to reenact Mr. Murray getting kidnapped by an eel and dragged out to the lake. But in this case, Fresh has a shrimp costume in replace of the eel. And now she's riding the shrimp / eel along the coastline.
Okay, I don't know how much I've had to drink, but I think I'm seeing things. Oh, your shrimp is deflating. You have a leaky shrimp.
That's heavy in it.
Get up there, shrimp. So it's unclear from the legend whether Mr. Murray died or he actually got off the back of the shrimp. Let's see if it.
I think he survived.
Yeah. Right down Cowboy.
Wait, I thought it was an eel.
Well, it was an eel, yeah.
Right, what's that?
Just this is a shrimp costume.
Well, peeps, it's 6:50 a.m. in the morning. We're packing up and getting ready to go. Most importantly, grab some coffee somewhere. I'll show you now. Look. It's a gorgeous morning. The area nearly packed up, most of us, and we'll be away shortly. Ah, it's beautiful sunrise. Anyway, guys, get back.
Well, I don't care about those fuckers. I'm going back to sleep for a while because it's just way too early. They can fucking wait for me. Oh god. What the hell are you doing? Oh, Jesus. Oh, what a way to wake up. What is wrong with you people? Waking up at 6:30 in the morning. It's not even bright out.
It's not 6:30, it's 10 to 7.
Yeah, but you woke at like 6:30. Or about 20 past 6.
Go back in and go to sleep.
Yeah,
We'll leave you for an hour.
Us normal humans.
we're going to coffee at home, so see you later.
Ah, look at that. Sunset. Sorry, sunrise. Sunrise.
Sunrise in the morning, lots of hot water, you know it. Well, it is now 7 p.m. in the evening. Big Al has finally got up and has decided to pack up.
That is so dirty.
Mom, we're actually going this time.
We're leaving, finally. Alright, idiots, say goodbye.
Oh, bye.
Don't forget to take your rubbish with you. Hold on, I have to do it this side. Okay. You leave only certain things behind, but don't forget to take your rubbish with you. Wow, that's a lot of rubbish for 2 nights. Aha.